So here are my results for my Google examination. One of the sections that I thought was most interesting was the section that talked about think beyond the textbook. I think this is really relevant, especially going into English education, finding ways that can help the students understand the text and the literature that we're reading better. Some of the examples that other teachers gave I thought were really interesting, of being able to find other video clips or movies that the students would already know in order to teach new concepts from the books that we're reading that they're unfamiliar with. So I thought that was really interesting, something that's challenging because you have to think outside of the box. But many of the resources that they talked about in this assessment I thought would be super helpful for that, things that I didn't know that were even possible, but I think would be really engaging in a classroom.